How's it going on, everybody? Welcome back to the programming world of Python, right? So let's dive in. Okay, I hope you have installed all the necessary environment in your computer. I'm going to use VS Code, Visual Studio Code as an IDE for this video tutorial.
Hope you guys are enjoying your day. On this beautiful day, I'm going to share something, okay? Mastering Python, a complete beginner to advanced guide, right? So let's begin. Next we have chain multiple if statement in Python. In Python, the if else, right, condition statement has an elif blocks to chain multiple conditions one after another. This is useful when you need to check multiple conditions. With the help of if else, we can make a tricky decision. The elif statement checks multiple conditions one by one, and if the condition fulfills, then executes that code. Okay, syntax for if else statement is if condition 1, then statement 1, elif condition 2, statement 2, elif condition 3, statement 3, right? This way you can use multiple elif condition, and finally you can terminate the program by else statement, right? Closing statement, right? So this is how you can do chain multiple if statement. Now will be multiple chains. We have multiple chains as well, right? So for multiple chain, let's call it if else, right? This is multiple chain. Okay, multiple if statement, if.5. Okay, so this is how you can use, right? So chain multiple if statement in Python. Yeah, I have already defined it as well, right? Also simple. Okay, let's now try to implement this code, right? So how can you do this? How can you implement chain multiple if statements in Python, right? So let's write a program to let's say to check user, right? To check user type, right? Okay, user type, they are user type, right? Let's say there are admin, another is, let's say, super admin, editor and or guest user. So you need to check between these three user types, right? So let's write a program. Okay, we will call this 1, 2, 3, user 1, user 2, user 3, right? So let's say if user, so let's say if user is equals to 1, then print let's say admin, right? So else, now we use else if statement because we have multiple things to check here, right? elif user is equals to 2, then print what? Editor, right? Editor. Okay, so again we have multiple elif because if none of these, 1, 2, 3, none of these, then you need to print you are invalid entry or wrong entry or something just like that, right? You need to give a warning. User is equals to 3, then print let's print what? You are a guest user, right? And finally you can wrap it up. Else print invalid entry, invalid number, invalid entry or something just like that, right? So you keep a warning. So in order to you can simply give all of this on with let's define all these under a function, right? let's define a function. Let's say define user check, right? User check function. So here you will be needing to user. Okay, user. Simply type user. That is how you can create. Okay. So in order to check user, okay. So you can simply call this function directly from here, or another way is you can directly ask from let's say you can directly ask on your ID, real-time ID as well, right? User is equals to, let's say, input, enter the number, right? Enter the number simply, right? Okay, this is how you can do \n. Okay, so let's try it. To read, you need to save it, right? So Python, what is this? It is multiple the 5 into the number. Okay, let's try edit 1 3. Then invalid entry, you need to get valid entry. Oh, it is not working. Why? Does it work? No, it is not working. 1 into 1, then it is not working. Okay. You need to check 1. Okay, that is. Yeah, you're right. User. Let's say, yeah, user is equals to. You need to call that function, right? User is equals to input. User check 1. Input. Okay. Let's say enter the number, and you need to cross it over. But if we do just like this, then we will get the correct answer, because it's pretty much easy, right? Admin, right? It is admin. But when we do this, there is multiple loops running over here. What is wrong? I don't know. Okay, I got it. What user define? That's it. Okay, so let's forget it. You can simply, you just please type in. Okay, try to make me feel I have done something correct or not, I don't know. Okay, let's try it again. Editor, right? Check 2 is user 2 is editor. And let's check it again explicitly. Check 3 is guest, right? So we need to have guest over here. 3 is guest. This is working, but I have done in a play. I don't know where has I been. User check. User check, let's say 4 or 5, 4, then it must be invalid, right? Invalid number or something just like that, right? Invalid entry. This is how it works. Okay, you need to convert a input into string or no. I think it is taking integer, right? Integer. str. So this is all. This way you can do, but it is taking input the number, but it is taking user 1 is taking what? Integer. So you need to convert this. So how to convert? Okay, string to integer converter in Python. Can we? Python. Can we? String to integer in Python. Okay, str no. Put it to 1001. In this we are converting a string into integer. String into integer. How? I don't know. Print type nom. Nom is equals to 10. Print type converting nom. Int nom. Int nom can be used, right? I think int nom can be used. Okay, so you can simply use int nom. Enter the number. Enter the number. Int nom. Okay. Number. Okay, take this as integer, right? Okay. Invalid entry and user check 1 Okay, user. Okay, user check one. Okay, this will be taken as integer, right? Explicit integer. Will it work? I don't think this will work, right? This is very complicated task. Okay, let's check one. Admin, yeah, it works. Woo! That is amazing, right? I don't ever think. Yeah, that's great. Let's say okay. Please enter the valid number only. Into the number only. Invalid entry, please. Okay, please enter the integer. Okay, enter the number correctly or something just like that, right? So this is how it works. Okay, let's say okay, user one is okay. Let's try it again. Okay, enter the number 100. Okay, let's say k. Okay, it is not working, right? Because k is not a number, right? So you just need to enter the number, not alphabets. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, Python dot enter the number. Let's say 30. No, let's say 4. Yeah, invalid entry. Please enter the number correctly or something just like that, right? Okay, incorrect number or something. This is ridiculous. You just don't need more comments like that, right? So let's check again. Let's check the number 3. Yeah, you are guessed. This is how you can do. You can have the application of multiple if statements programming, right? In Python programming. Sounds amazing.